Hi, Nadia.
Hi.
Hi. How are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah. Do you want to come a little bit closer?
Okay.
And so, Nadia, where are you from?
I'm from Argentina.
Argentina.
Yeah.
And how long have you been in Australia?
5 months. 5 months.
Wow. So, what brought you to Australia?
For study.
Yes.
And then I don't know.
Yeah.
So I want to find the way to stay in Australia. So
Permanently.
yeah.
Is
that it?
And what do you currently study?
I study English at the moment,
Yeah.
but I am dentist.
Dentist.
Yes.
Oh,
I am
yes.
dentist.
Great.
So I need found the way.
Yes. Yes. Amazing. Sorry, just need to be a little bit closer. Yes. Oh. And so, about the workshop today, what was the one big takeaway where you were like, wow, I didn't know this before and this is really helpful for me?
I listen about the Dama visa, so if very interesting for me. So I never listened before, so it's a good for now, you know.
Yes, yes, absolutely. And so, what will you do now after the workshop? And what is going to be your next step in your migration journey?
A book consultation with us.
Yeah.
So is my idea.
Yeah.
So, and then find the way.
Yeah. Yeah. Amazing. Yes. Wonderful. Well, my team and I, we're looking forward to helping you, Nadia.
Okay.
So just book in for a consultation and then we can assess your visa options as a dentist.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Thank
Okay.
you so much,
Thank you.
Nadia.
Thank you.
Thank you.